Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you all the SAP BW for HANA releases in step by step or like year by year. The first BW for HANA 1.0 was introduced in 2016. You can see on my left side of the screen. Then in 2017, the same 1.0 with Service Pack 04 was released. Then in 2018, then Service Pack 08 was released for the same 1.0. Then in 2019 there was a major change. Then 2.0 was released in video for HANA. And here 1.0 to 2.0 the major changes in modeling was shifted. Then in 2020 same 2.0 with SP0504 was released. And in the same year 2.0 with SP07 was released. And in the next year 2021 then BW for HANA 2021 was released. Then in the recently the latest version of SAP BW for HANA, that is 2021 SP04, and this was released on last December of 2022. This is all the releases on SAP BW for HANA by SAP. I hope you have understood the tutorial, and if you have any question on SAP or SAP BW for HANA, please comment below. I will be happy to answer those.